Yes, now we start laminating front glass LCD display of iPhone 7. This is the front glass laminating operation of iPhone 7 Plus. And this is the razor. We use it for open, yes. This is the fingernail. This is the thumbnail. បាទបងប្អូនជាទីតែលោកយើងចាប់ផ្ដើមបោះ iPhone 7 Plus មួយពុតអេក្រង់ថាភូមិឡៅមកសម iPhone 7 Plus มันแตกหน้าจอครับ laminate กระจกใหม่ครับ For of all, we need to disconnect the battery connector. Yeah, we immediately disconnect the battery connector by using the plastic tool or thumbnail. And after that, we can use the metal to disconnect other connectors. Yeah, when we working on home button, we need to be careful, yes, because it is so small and we cut off. So that we must be careful. We can use two twister. That is tweezers. Yes, to hold at the cable and then we open at the cable. Be careful. And this part also we could be careful with the front camera, yes. This is the speaker, front speaker, and this is the for central front camera. And this is also, it is for make the sensors to the central. And careful with this. Yeah, this is the point that we need to careful. Gently pull out. And then gently take the metal sheet out. Yes. Apply this tape here. Don't allow it to flip-flop. Yeah, when we allow this flexible flip-flop, when we read the laminate, the touch screen will not perfect working because some thread of this copper will be cut off. And if we stick like this cable cannot flip-flop, so nothing happen. Yeah, now we need to cut off the frame. We take out to the edge. Yes, make it like this. we need to burn the side, yes, burn the side or only warm the side by soldering like this. This is the best method for cut off the frame. Yeah, ready for one side and we try other side, yes. One side more. Yeah, like this. It is very safe to do like this. Yeah, this is other side. Yes, we need to cut same before. Yeah. Use the soldering to cut it. Yeah. After that, like this, yes, this is the nail. We can burn the side or we warm the side. Yes. When it hot, it will release the glue that they has been stick. Always keep gently, but yes. There you see the path of glass come out. Yes. Yeah, this is the path of glass come out. If we pull over, it will broken. But if we pull to the side, no problem. Now go to the laminator dash. This is my laminator dash, and it's a YMC machine, yes. And this is the separator machine. So now we set the temperature range, yes. Now I press set. After that, we press the up key to increase the temperature, yes. It is the absorb button. When we press, the machine will absorb the LCD to stick on this aluminum and give a warm temperature. This is an OCA. For remove OCA, we need to absorb it again. After that, we use the motor to rotate on the OCA, and the OCA will come out. Yes, this is N530, yeah, 530. It is a liquid that we order, yes, that we order from China. It is a cleaner, so we use the tissue. Yeah, we use this tissue to apply the water, and then we make to clean the OCA. បាទបងប្អូនជាទីមេត្រីនៅពេលដែលយើងជួបជនបរទេសកុំឲ្យតម្លៃពួកគេខ្លាំងពេកគេយ៉ាងណាយើងយ៉ាងហ្នឹងកាលណាយើងឲ្យតម្លៃទៅពួកគេខ្លាំងពេកយើងបាត់បង់តម្លៃរបស់យើងបាទហុយពេញភូមិទៅរកអីផ្លុំតិចសិនយាយវាផ្លូវសាំដាស់បាទបងប្អូនយើងដាក់វានៅក្នុងពុម្ពវា install it on the mold. Yes, this is the mold. Just now already we need to laminate by cover the front glass. Yes, this is the OCA, and we need to separate the home key cable. Yes, gently, just like this, and you can use your finger pull. Yes, like this. You see the black, yes, the shade black up here, and then we can use this to cover and then pull into the laminator machine. Yes, like this. Just now ready, I open my laminator machine and pull out. Yes, and to see the result. Yes, it is very good, and it stay have a hole inside. Yes, so we need to put into the bubble remove machine. This is the bubble remove machine. Perfect. Yeah, perfect. We try to install this. This is the metal. This is the protector metal. This metal protect the burning of battery. Yes. When the battery explode, this metal protect, don't allow some part of battery go outside. Yeah, we need to tie the screw one by one, so it may take a long time. I will skip some video for my video in perform length. Why? This is no problem. This is the old LCD, and then we can remove the black patch by using our bubble machine to absorb it.